Hi there, students. Emeritus. Emeritus. This is a very, very formal way of saying former. For example, a professor emeritus is a professor of a university who has retired and is given the honorary title of Professor Emeritus. So emeritus means this person has retired from this post or this position. Normally this word emeritus comes after the title. So most commonly we say Professor Emeritus. But you could say Emeritus Professor. That makes it what is called post-positive. So Emeritus has retired honourably from their previous post. Okay, so for example as well, I guess you could say David Cameron, Prime Minister Emeritus. So this emeritus is an honorary title corresponding to a person's position before they retired. So former, quondam, erstwhile. Yeah? David Cameron, erstwhile Prime Minister. David Cameron, quondam Prime Minister. Pope Benedict XVI, better known as Joseph Ratzinger, retired as Pope. This was fairly unheard of, and became Pope Emeritus, so former Pope. This is normally an official title carried forward after retirement. You could have a Bishop Emeritus, the Chief Executive Officer Emeritus of this company, John Bercow, the Speaker of the House Emeritus, okay, the Advisor to the Queen Emeritus. Normally this is used talking about an official position, but it doesn't have to be, I guess. This guy was teacher emeritus to the prince of the country, for example. So, question, what about formality? This is really, really formal. 9.5, I might even say a 10, but if I say 10, then there's always another word that comes along that's even more formal. Okay, so emeritus, somebody who used to occupy a position and has retired from that. Normally somebody who is emeritus no longer works. Yeah, they've stopped working. And remember, normally it comes after the title. Let's see, this comes from Latin, emeritus, the same word in Latin, meaning earned or served. Okay, if we split that up, emeritus, ex, from, and merei, deserve, earn. It's linked to the word merit. But the most common example of this you will find is for university professors. A professor of history emeritus from Cambridge University, for example. But this is giving someone a formal official title. So there you go, emeritus. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Emeritus.